A student very cautiously traces the path of a ray through a glass slab for different values of the angle of incidence I. He then measures the corresponding values of the angle of reflection R and the angle of emergence for every value of the angle of incidence. On analyzing those measurements, his conclusion would be A. Angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction and angle of refraction is greater than angle of emergence. B. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence which is greater than angle of refraction. C. Angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction which is less than angle of emergence. Or D. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence which is less than angle of refraction. So in this case our answer would be part B, that is angle of incidence, which is this angle right here, which is represented by angle of I, and angle of emergence, which is this angle, which is represented by R2, are equal, and both of them are greater than angle of refraction, that is angle R1 here and angle I2 here. Therefore answer is part B.